Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects all smartphone users: heat management during heavy use. We're going to put some smartphones to the test to see how they handle the heat. First off, why is smartphone heat management so important? Well, your phone is a tiny computer, and like any computer, it generates heat. When you're gaming, streaming videos, or even just multitasking, the processor, battery, and other components are working hard. This generates heat. Excessive heat can cause several problems. It can slow down your phone, leading to lag and performance issues. It can also damage the battery over time, reducing its lifespan. In extreme cases, it can even cause your phone to shut down to prevent damage. Nobody wants that. So, how do manufacturers manage heat? They use a variety of techniques. Some phones have heat pipes and vapor chambers to dissipate heat. Others use software to throttle performance when the phone gets too hot. The design of the phone itself, including materials like aluminum or glass, also plays a role. Now, let's talk about our test. We'll be using a few popular smartphones. We'll simulate heavy use by running demanding games, streaming high-definition video, and running benchmark tests. During this, we'll monitor the temperature of the phones. Using an infrared thermometer, we'll measure the temperature of both the phone's surface and the battery. We'll be looking for a few key things. How quickly do the phones heat up? What is the maximum temperature they reach? Do they throttle performance? And how does their performance change over time as they heat up? Our tests will be conducted in a controlled environment, at a consistent room temperature. This helps to ensure the most accurate results. We'll run each test for a set amount of time and record the data. After the test, we'll analyze the data and compare the performance of each phone. We will be fair and impartial in our analysis. Of course, we know that your phone usage varies. Some of you might be casual users, while others are hardcore gamers. That is why we are trying to cover a range of activities. Whether you are using your phone to watch videos, play games, browse social media, or just use it as a phone, our tests will help you understand the impact of heat management on your experience. So, stay tuned to see which phones come out on top, and which ones struggle to keep their cool. We will also give you some tips on how to keep your phone from overheating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into smartphone heat management. We're running a heat test during heavy use to see how different phones handle the pressure. First, why is heat a problem? Your smartphone is a powerful computer, and its components generate heat when working hard. Excessive heat causes performance throttling, leading to lag. Battery life also suffers, and overheating can damage internal components. So, what causes smartphones to heat up? The CPU and GPU are the main heat generators. The display, especially at high brightness, adds to it. The battery also generates heat. The phone's design and operating system influence heat generation too. Now, let's set up the test. We'll be using several popular smartphones and running intensive tasks to push them to their limits. These include playing demanding games like Genshin Impact for an extended period, streaming 4K video, running a CPU stress test, and simultaneously running multiple background apps. We'll use a thermal camera to monitor each phone's temperature. We'll be measuring the surface temperature and tracking the frame rates in games and noting performance drops. We'll also monitor the battery drain. Let's get started. First, the gaming test. We'll play Genshin Impact for about 30 minutes on each phone, watching frame rates and using the thermal camera. Next, we'll stream a 4K video. We'll also run a CPU stress test to simulate intense workloads. And then we will run multiple apps in the background. Throughout the test, we'll note the performance, temperatures, and battery drain. After, we'll compile all the data and compare the results, ranking phones based on heat management. We'll include our recommendations for users to avoid overheating. So, stay tuned to see which phones come out on top. This test offers valuable insights into heat management. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.